Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 update stuck on 100% Windows 11 not updating. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type of services, open a services, find out a Windows update. Open up Windows Update Services, click on Stop button, minimize it. After doing this step, open up Explorer, go to your C drive, go to your Windows. After doing this step, go to your Find out a software distribution. Now here is a software distribution. Open it and delete all file and folders. Click on Delete button, close it, open a services, open up Windows Update Services, click on Start button, click OK to apply. Go to your settings of your Windows, go to your Windows Update and click on Check and Updates. I hope after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.